Hello everybody. This is Kostas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you something really amazing. We happen a lot of times because we are living in the age of um, data and the AI, and we use USB and we use SSD disks. We use the HDD disks because, to many applications we have even the HDD disks. And the point is that, you know, disks are, um, when they're working, they're fine. But we happen to deal with disaster situations and to lose data. Okay, and when we lose data, we lose photos, we lose files, important files, and it's painful when you lose your job when it's something digital, when you have digital products. When you work with Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and all those stuff, and you lose all your data, or even when you are a photographer or just as a hobby, you collect data that it's really important to you. Uh, I got you a solution to manage and recover all those data for all those disks that you might have or you might have in the future, and um, and they're in disaster and you're in disaster situation. That means that a working disk just stopped to work. You know, it's really common to HDD disks that you listen the sound and you know that something is wrong with the disk. So when you listen that something is wrong, it's better to stop using this disk. Try to clone the disk, and if that's not possible, then recover your data using this amazing tool that I'm gonna show you right away. The tool is the RecoveryFox AI. It's leveraging AI so that you recover all your data, and in fact, in a way that it's not gonna show raw data, because you might have experienced other times in the past tools that they were just dropping random files and random data inside a folder, and you had no idea what exactly you were recovering. So with this amazing tool, let me show you here. You see that it recovers smarts with AI, and you can use it precisely, identify every lost data fragment and rebuild them into complete files, perfect for different data loss scenarios. Natively support a wide range of file types and drives to meet all your recovery needs. Okay, you can even try it for free. You can download it and check how it's working. But in fact, I'm gonna show you even to this video exactly what is going on. When you lose the data, it's the best thing to do is just to stop using the disk and just connect it to an external adapter and manage to use it. I'm gonna show you even a disk that and we're gonna erase something important from inside this disk, and we're gonna try to recover it. Okay, and in fact, you can get 98% recovery rate, and you can restore all your original data back to your computer. Okay. It works with SSD, it works with USB and HDD disks. You're going to see that the license, it's simple. If you want to recover data from one disk, you can go to any technician. I'm a technician too, but working with recovering data, it takes sometimes it takes more than a day, and you have to pay the technician to work on that part. The $50 that you see here, it's not a big deal when you are trying to recover your data and you need your data back in place. If you visit a technician, the less that you're gonna pay, it's $100 for sure. And sometimes, people just send their data to companies that they're gonna charge them for $1,000 for hour. Uh, for each hour that they're trying to recover those data without any guarantee that you're gonna get the correct data, or you're gonna get something that it makes sense. You can even use it for 1 week, and you can pay a license just for 1 week that is going to expire in 1 week. You can use it for 1 month, and you can easily you can easily recover a lot of disks in 1 month. If it's your business to work with recovering data, you know that those 59 euro are nothing. And you can even spend 69 euro and get a whole year of using this amazing tool. Okay. And the simple and very easy decision is just to grab with $99 a lifetime license that you're gonna be able to recover any data in any situation and any disaster mode that you might deal with. Okay, we can. You see that you're gonna just need 1 gigahertz of CPU, so you don't need a very powerful computer to manage to recover your data. But in fact, it's best to have a computer with at least 2 cores, and 4 gigabytes are perfect at during our days that you can manage easily and much faster to recover all your data. To the main site, I'm gonna leave my link down to the description so that you can find more information and you read the FAQs. But at the moment, I'm gonna show you exactly what this tool is doing. Okay, so let me just grab a disk here and show you that we got a disk and we want to recover some data from it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera on me here so that you can see me better. This is a disk, and I have opened the plate so that you can see exactly what is going on with this disk. And I'm gonna show you even a small disk from a laptop or other computers. You see that's a faulty disk, but it's you can connect it and it can be recognized from your computer. Okay, and you can see even the SSD disk. This kind of disks, the HDD, they work exactly like that. They have a magnetic disk inside that it is turning like that. You see, it's just spinning around this small stuff, and it has a pin like like the pickups that they were using. A small pin that it was reading the data from the discs, okay, the music discs. This disk, it does the same exactly stuff. So it's reading from the magnetic disk where all our data is being transferred and just copied over here with a magnetic technology. To the new disks that came up later, it was those SSD disks that they work in a different way. They have chips inside, and they store the data in a different way, without the spinning disk, without moving parts. That's why those SSD disks lately are being used for many applications, and they are really, really very fast. Okay, they are most of them are 20 times faster. Not most of them, all of them are 20 times faster at least from a disk like that. Okay, the HDT disk. So the decision is simple. Nowadays, it's the best decision to get the SSD disk and have a very fast computer, and leverage the SSD speed. And there is another technology that it's going on right now to most of the laptops, and even the desktops. They're using the NVM disk that it's I don't have now here to show you, or just a moment. I'm gonna just try to find one. Okay, I didn't find any NVM disk, but the idea is it's like a RAM. Okay, it's like that small, and it just has a special connection to your PC, and it's being used as a hard disk. In fact, it's storing a lot of data in just a simple and small chip. Okay. And the idea, even with SSD, it's almost the same, but in fact, the NVM disk, it's much, much faster. Anyway, let's try now, and let's connect this disk that it's an HDT disk. Okay, I'm gonna connect it to an external connector like that. In fact, it's an adapter that you can use it to any USB and connect your disk to your PC. And we're going to try to recover our data using this tool that it's called RecoveryFox AI. Okay, that's a very nice and very interesting tool. I'm going to close my camera from here, and we're gonna move over here to be able to work with this amazing tool. Okay, let's connect now the disk. Okay, I connected the disk, and we see over here the the disk data. Okay, as you can see, I have already created one folder that it's called important files over here, and I have added one of my photos, another image of a coin acceptor, and a manual of WordPress. Okay, because we have to consider that those files are very important, and we accidentally erase them, or we had a problem with the disk. We can just try to delete those files, and you can consider them that they're gone. Okay. Now the next step, and imagine that we lost those files, because that's a scenario that you could accidentally delete your files. You see that we don't have any confirmation from Windows to delete those files or not, because they're considered to go to the bin, and to the recycle bin, and we're supposed to go there and just recover what we have deleted. Okay, but in many cases, all those data stay to the same disk, or when we are using this disk and we have a situation that we have deleted them, we have to try to recover them from the same disk. Okay, anyway, just the idea is just to see how simple is to recover any data, and how exactly you can use this amazing tool. Okay, let's go on here, and we're gonna get the download um, the program right away. And the next step is just to run the installer. Let me just bring the installer from here so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. And as you can see, I'm gonna click just next to install. I agree, and install. And the installer is preparing my computer, and it's done. Okay. Now, as you can see, let me just bring it from again from here just to be able to see the whole interface of the program. You see that it's so straightforward, and it's just simple. You just are able to see all the disks that are included to your computer, and you have the desktop. You have the recycle bin where you can check if something was deleted, and it's over there. And the steps are very easy to do. You see, you select a location, you scan, and then you just recover your files. Okay. In fact, I'm not searching to recover from the local disk C, not the E, not the F, and let me see which one was the disk that we were referring before, and we connected to this computer. And this disk was with the number K. Okay, we have to check and find the number K. It's this one. That's the disk. I'm gonna click to search, and as you can see, I can see the data from this disk. I can just select the disk, and I can as you can see, it's gonna start scanning the disk, and I'm waiting for the scan to finish. Over here you see that it's 100%, and it says quick scan completed, processing found files. Quick scan completed, the software will proceed with AI scan. Quick scan suitable for fast recovering recently lost files on the disk, files lost due to accidentally deletion, quick formatting, or unexpected failure can be recovered through the quick scan before writing new data. Okay. AI scan, AI-powered data recovery support various complex scenarios, deeply scan, analyze, and restore the lost files, even if the data is partially deleted. Okay, we can try first the quick scan. Okay, just for this video, we can just test the quick scan over here. And okay, as you can see, it started scanning with AI scan and the quick scan. It's already scanning, and here we have the AI scan. It's going to try to recover a lot of files, and in fact it might find information and data even from other installations, because that disk is a little bit old, and it can easily find many old data to this disk. Okay, as you can see, it keeps scanning, and in fact, what happened is the system tries first a quick scan automatically, and then starts with the AI scan. Okay, so as you can see, it's already scanning more and more files, and you can see that down here. And in fact, we can anytime pause the scan like that, and it's gonna try to organize my data, and you can see that I got the recovery over here. In fact, I can even check the file type and check the photos and the documents. I don't know what exactly we might find here, because that's an old disk, but you can see that we have everything organized. We have the video, the audio, and the camera over here. And it seems like even to video here, you see we got the MP4, but if we try to watch something, you see that the preview is not support for this format. Please recover to view. We have to recover the file so that we are able to view what's inside here. Okay, you can even select everything and recover the files. But in fact, we didn't let it to roll a lot because we can recover the search and start recovering more and more files. If we click here, it's gonna start again recovering from the moment that it stopped and searching the disk for other files that were deleted before, or there were files from a previous format, and so on. We're gonna be able to recover all those files. Okay, I believe you got the idea of how this amazing tool is working. Um, I'm gonna leave the link to my description so that you can find more. And uh, believe me, with this tool, you're gonna feel safe and secure to be able to recover any kind of files and folders that you might have deleted, or maybe it was an accidental delete, or you formatted and accidentally a disk that you didn't want to erase, and you want to recover all the previous data. Thank you very much for watching this video, and uh, I hope you enjoyed it. You can click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more AI amazing tools and platforms. Thank you very much, and I will see you to the next video. Bye bye.